Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we are going to be making some rainbow slime with our unicorn slime science kit. So let's get started. First you're going to need 2 containers of glue from your slime science kit. Your container of baking soda, saline solution activator, stir stick, measuring spoon, all 3 colors of food coloring, and all 6 of your storage containers. And don't forget your instruction book if you need a little bit of help. First, we're going to dump both glue bottles into the container. So make sure you squeeze it all out, and then there'll still be a little bit of glue left in the container. So we're going to fill up a tiny little bit of water just to the bottom of this label. Put the water in the glue. Shake it up to get all of the remaining glue contents out, and then pour in the glue mixture as well. It's really important to make sure that you don't add too much water. Otherwise, this will make the slime sweat and will not turn out properly. We're going to do the same thing with the next bottle of glue. Right, now we're going to stir the glue and the water together. Right, now we are going to add 2 scoops of baking soda, 1 for each bottle of glue, and stir until the baking soda dissolves. Now we're going to add in our cream. I've chosen to add in some body butter from the Body Shop because I feel like this type of cream works the best in making sure your slime is buttery smooth. So we're going to add in 2 to 3 of these spoonfuls right into the mixture. The nice thing about this cream is that it's scented also, so it gives your slime a nice scent afterwards. And we're going to stir this hand cream in until it is well dissolved. Right, once the hand cream is fully mixed in, now we're going to add our saline solution activator. So even though we doubled the glue recipe, we're just going to start with 1 spoonful at a time, adding it into the hand cream and glue solution and stirring along the way. So we're going to give our saline solution a bit of a shake before we start. And we're adding the first spoonful in. And you can see that it already is starting to pull off the sides and starting to form slime. So this is good. At this point, we actually don't need to add another spoonful of saline solution in because our slime is starting to form. So now we're going to set it aside and start mixing our rainbow colors. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our clear containers that come in the slime kit and we're going to start mixing our rainbow colors. All right, so what is the first color of the rainbow? Red. So we're going to be adding in about 4 drops of red food coloring into the first container. Maybe a couple more. So we have 7 drops of red food coloring. What's the next color? Orange. So how are we going to get orange? Red and yellow makes orange. So we're going to add in 3 drops of red, because we got 4 drops there, and 4 drops of yellow. The nice thing about this is you can play around with it to make the colors darker or lighter if you wish. So we have red, orange, yellow. So we're going to do 7 drops of yellow. Green, so the next color is green. So how are we going to get green? Yellow and blue makes green. 4 to 5 drops of the blue. The next color of the rainbow is blue. And then violet. So red and blue make purple, which is like a violet color. All right, so all the colors that are mixed colors, we're gonna give it a bit of a swirl to to make sure they're nice and combined. And then we're going to set these aside and break our slime into 6 equal parts. All right, so now that we have our 6 equal parts, we are going to add them in 1 part per color. So here we go. We have our red. We're going to just put it right into the container. Orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So now we're going to take our stir stick and stir each color at a time in its individual container until it starts to all mix in together. All right, guys, so at this point, we have all of our colors of the rainbow mixed. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. So if any of the slimes that you have in your containers are still a little bit too sticky, you can go around with your saline solution activator, give it a little shake, and add in 1 more drop at a time per container. Make sure you don't add in too much, or the slime will become hard and break apart. And then give each container a stir, and then we can start removing it from the container to make our rainbow. Right, now that all your colors are mixed in, you can even take them out of the jar and start mixing with your hands. Here's our red. Here's our orange slime. I'm so excited for this rainbow slime. It is gonna look so cool when it's done. All right, so here's the orange slime. Lay it right beside the red. And we're gonna grab our yellow slime out of the container. And you guys don't have to be worried about using all of your storage containers because we just use these storage containers to mix the colors. But when all the slime is combined, you can just use one of these containers to store all of your rainbow slime. All right, so here is our yellow slime. We're gonna give it a good little mix with our hands. That is so nice and bright. I love this. All right, we're gonna put it right next to the orange slime because red, orange, yellow, and then what comes next? We have our green slime. So we're gonna go ahead and give this one a good mix with our fingers also. All right, so here is the green. And next we have blue. This one still needs to be mixed in a little bit, so we're gonna mix the blue slime with our fingers. So you can tell that this slime right now is a little bit opaque. So it's opaque, which means that it's not see-through because we added the hand cream. So if you wanna make your slime crystal clear, then you just don't add the hand cream. But I like adding the hand cream because I feel like it makes the slime a little bit softer and not quite as sticky. All right, so the blue is all mixed in with our hands. So we're gonna add it right behind the green. And the next is the purple. All right, so here's the purple slime. All right, ooh, look how pretty that is. There you have your rainbow slime. This recipe is also in our instruction book that comes with the kit. So just follow every step by step, and then the rainbow slime recipe is right here. You guys, here is our rainbow slime. I absolutely love this. Look at all those pretty colors. Look at how beautiful that is. You can even store this rainbow slime in your unicorn head container that also comes with the Unicorn Slime Science Kit by ChaCha&Chicky. You guys, this is so much fun. Enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to ChaCha&Chicky and give this video a thumbs up.